1, 2, 3. It's time to drink sake right now. Kampai! Kampai! Cheers to the success of Kizuna Aesthetic Center.
Hi, I'd like to invite everybody to come to Kizuna Aesthetic Center. It's in Robinsons Galleria Basement 2.
Hi guys, Thankyou here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm here at the Kizuna. It's a Japanese aesthetic center which is located at Robinsons Galleria Cebu, second basement floor. So highlights, and yeah, these are their prices. As you all know, Japanese technology is expensive, but it's worth it. And yeah, there are a lot of services. Na ako rin sa room na we're in preparation area. I don't know if you can hear me. Saba. But anyway, we're going in.
What's the purpose niya? Ang kani siya kay for facial, kanang functional na bitaw siya. Like sa other nga clinic kay naa sila ilain-lain nga kanang machine. For example, like silk peel, diamond peel, but this one is multifunctional and mas advanced siya from Japan gud. This one is for the RF, kanang melt din siya sa fats, nya mo tighten and kanang sa mga sag na skin.
What is your edge between the kind of aesthetics these days?
I think mas advanced ang product kay Japan. Dili sila magbalate yun, di ba? When it comes to technology. So dili na lain-lain ang machine. Powerful yun kayo siya. Kay makita na ni mo ang effect kana one session pa lang.
This is the CO2. So CO2 is the tablet. The tablet fuses oxygen inside the pores. So it nourishes through medication also.
This is kanang placenta wine.
Wow, light
Wine. Pero ang nakanindot lang niya kay kanang naman siya medicinal effect to treat your anxiety disorder, menopausal, depression.
The benefits of placenta, most of it is it gives elasticity. It also has more collagen, so the skin rejuvenates and it tightens more, and it's giving you good glow. It's a beautiful glow.
Okay, so we're going to try it right now.
Yeah.
Glow, haggard kay kong face, guys.
Yes, placenta juice.
So, mo try na sa guys.
Yeah, this is the drink.